Welcome to Stay Awesome, Vanlife. This week we're heading to Moffat Beach from Manly and Brisbane, and we're going to stealth camp. We're going to be forced to stealth camp, and we're going to have to deal with some parasites. That's right, parasites are going to invade the van. Welcome to the stealth camp parasite invasion. Make sure you watch the entire video to get the entire story. Parasites and stealth camping.
Absolute glory this morning.
Stealth camping, you know about that with Vanlife?
Yeah.
What's the chances up here, Moffat Beach?
I've lived here my whole life.
Yeah.
30 years, and I've never seen anyone get done.
No problems getting a good view at Moffat Beach, up the hill or down the hill. Buenos noches. Sometimes you have no choice, you have to stealth camp. Either the prices are too high or there are no availabilities.
Park up and then leave at about 6.
Golden rule, arrive late, leave early.
Morning guys.
Stealth means be silent. A local caravan park wanted $70 for the night, so I flicked the stealth camp switch. So there we go, the stealth camp last night on the north coast saved $70. Ka-ching! I could spend $70 today on lunch. I could have lobster for lunch if I want to, because I didn't waste $70 when all I was going to do was sleep in the van anyway. You know what, if it was $50 I would have just paid it and not thought twice, but I think 70 is just a bit stretching it a bit too far. Bit of price gouging there, and yeah, the Renault Master ended up flicking the switch and going into stealth mode and saving that money for today. And as we all know, stealth camping costs you nothing. Going to visit Moffat Beach. Let's go. Absolutely brilliant. So I'm at Moffat Beach now, that's where we are. Moffat Beach is located on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia.
We're in the morning here around 6 o'clock at Moffat Beach.
Okay, let's get a few shots. Aerial shots now, eh?
Fetch me. I've been staging a protest, swapping guns for roses, resorted to reverie, campaigners for liberty, hit or render a legacy. We are the dreamers and the party queens. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today.
If you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button.
In the van.
By fascination, we are the superhuman, indestructible, wild party animals. Horizons changing, new world rearranging.
You know, with all your tattoos and everything, I thought you must be a tradie.
No, I used to sell parasite ones.
Hey, what?
We want to change the world.
Well, selling parasite cleansers certainly grabbed my attention. It certainly grabbed yours too, I bet. Let's learn more about it off Callum. Let's see what he's up to.
Parasite cleanse.
A
Yeah.
parasite cleanse?
Yeah, well, people that shit out worms.
Yeah.
And you'd be so surprised at how many people have them. Like, so surprised.
So you're here with your girlfriend?
Sister.
Oh, your sister. Oh, so we're not in Tasmania.
No. And my dog Honey.
And your dog, Honey. Oh, there we go. Beautiful dog.
Walk my dog every day and break out of the matrix.
And you sell the supplements online plus in-house, do you? Like,
Just online.
yeah.
Just sell parasite ones.
Hey, what? That is.
And I change from scaffolding every day,
Yeah.
Goldie so I can working every day,
Yeah.
to then just working on the body and having freedom.
Company again, just so people are.
Culture. On
Corrective
Instagram,
culture. Instagram.
Manny on Instagram.
Start a revolution. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Start a revolution.
It's an incredible place for dogs.
And an incredible place for lizards. Look at this big fella, this big dragon lizard.
Fetch me. I've been staging a protest, swapping guns for roses.
He's making me hungry. Let's go and spend some of that $70 I saved last night.
Campaigns for liberty, hid under a legacy. We are the dreamers and the party queens. I just wanna be myself for a day.
So I have my unique bacon and egg burger here. It's very unique. It's like on a pita bread. See that? Beautiful. That was really, really nice. Bon appetit. So you know, the parking around here is free and there's no limits. So you can park as long as you like. And as you heard from the fellow we spoke to before, Callum, it's no hassle if you stay overnight. I'm even on the beach, stealth camping, but I'm not going to push my luck. I'll hold around the burbs. But there you go. So save your money and then go and spend it in the cafes or whatever. Have a good time. Make sure you inject a bit more back into the community. Don't just take, give back. So there's a few signs to read. There's nothing about camping. I haven't seen about not camping. Dog should be on the leash at all times.
As the day progressed, the sandy beach became more and more popular. And in the end, you'd swear you were on Surfers Paradise Beach, as you'll see. So you saw the sign that said dog must be on the lead at all times. It doesn't say it should be connected to the owner. So all these dogs are running around dragging a lead with them. It's absolutely hilarious. Oh, I can't stop laughing about it. I never noticed one dog poop on the beach. This paddleboarder's looking for SpongeBob.
Please make sure to hit the like button.
This is dog paradise around here, isn't it?
And Vanlife a paradise. Absolutely love Moffat Beach. What do you think? Leave a comment. Tell me what your thoughts are. I loved the place. Absolutely loved it. And the great thing is there was no parking meters. There was no dramas at all. Obviously, you get in early, get your park, and then you're off and the place is yours. You can go and do whatever activities you enjoy. Maybe not a nude swim. It's not a nudist beach, by the way. That's another episode. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure you subscribe. I need more subscribers. And smash the like button and share the video. Stay awesome. Postscript. I had another stealth camp, successful. And then I got my eyes tested during the week. And the strangest thing happened. You would not believe this. My optometrist informed me I had mites in my eyes and needed eyelid wipes and an intestinal clean. Callum, you're onto something, mate. You're really onto something. My eyesight improved 1000%. Stay awesome. So what's happened here tonight? What happened there with that dartboard?
Mate, you just hit 3 balls.
You've pretended.
I know people won't believe me.
You've pretended you've never played before.
Unbelievable.
And I retired on that score.
Yeah.
Hey,
Stay awesome.
I started playing tonight and I've retired.
Yeah.
So what, you're like a physio or something, or?
Call it like a holistic.
A godsend, I say.
It's changing, new world rearranging. This fear is contagious. We'll lead them out into greatness. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. I just wanna be myself.
Mix in well. Beautiful. Let's go.
If you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button and share the video. If you've got some friends that might be interested in van life videos or this lifestyle and you think they need a break or they need a little bit of a pocket of happiness and some good times, just introduce them to the van life lifestyle through my channel. Stay Awesome Van Life. Hope you know I don't pretend to live in the van. I do a hub and spokes in the van. I go on journeys in the van. Yes, I spend extended periods of time in the van, but a lot of the time it's just hub, home, spokes are the destinations. Make a video and upload it and let you watch what's out there and what's available and what you could do too, and even how to build your van. If you want to build a van, I've got a heap of self-build videos, got lifestyle videos, got a lot of comedy in there. I've got a few comedians that I meet along the road, so friends along the road. There's a lot happening and there's a lot you can do in van life, not just drive around the van and not stay in it all day. You've got to get out and about, get away from the vantage points and get into doing activities and enjoying the mojo around you, the lifestyle, the people, even good or bad. Just take it all in, suck it all in and enjoy life.
This fear is contagious. We'll lead them out into greatness. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Go tell them all what we've done. We're children of the future. On when we tell you to run. Come join the